All right.
Hello.
So today we're going to be working on these Alec's ae86. Let me back it up here. Back it up a little bit. So he's been rebuilding this car ongoing. This is kind of a major thing for him because he's got some coilovers that he's been working on. You tell me what you're going to be doing.
Right now I'm just working on the suspension on it because I neglected this car for a while, and it kind of shows in the age. Everything's pretty much original as far as like the suspension goes. I was gonna just try to tackle the suspension, get that done, and then move on to maybe something next, which is maybe the rear end or the diff, or get into the motor. So the motor is just a stock single cam.
3AC, is that what that is?
4AC.
4AC.
Yeah.
Got it.
So it's the single cam.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, let's look at the suspension real quick, just since you got it up.
So I bought it.
Oh,
from,
Greddy.
yeah.
Sorry,
No,
my bad.
No, you're good. I bought it from Max.
Max Fam, we know Max Fam.
Yes. He sold me the Greddys. They were kind of like in old condition and stuff.
This is basically his old setup.
Yeah. And
Okay.
the shock was like blown out when he sold it to me.
Okay.
So I kept sourcing around. A lot of websites were like, no, we can't make those shocks, or we don't sell those. And I contacted Fortune Auto. Fortune Auto was like, sure, we'll make you the shocks. So sure enough, it fit up to the, I guess this is like the strut cartridge or so. And it's perfect size. So, and then all the springs, I got it just powder coated, and that's
Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So, okay, you got some other components here. You're going to be doing some
handlebar
brake work.
I have sway bars.
Oh, nice.
Cusco, some of this
Cool.
other brands. So
Awesome.
just a little refresh, just so the car kind of feels a little bit more,
Well,
predictable with the steering and the ride, compared to just the 30-year-old suspension that it has on right now.
that's what it's running right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll see. We'll like lift it up and you'll be like, oh yeah, this is like old.
Well, what's interesting is that, the coilovers, like, I've had a set of I buy, when I first got my S2000, I bought a set of coilovers. They were actually Buddy Club coilovers. And, like if I had known you could rebuild them, or I'm not even sure if you could rebuild that particular set, but as these old setups, because this is, Greddy has kind of been around for a long time.
They're still making parts. But as far as these ones, I'm pretty sure they're discontinued.
Discontinued.
Yeah.
Okay. And so now your only option, if you want to keep the Greddy setup, is to find a place that you can rebuild
it
them.
or get a new setup.
That's cool. So that there's a answer. Like typically what I did is I had the Buddy Club set up, and then I found out that the shocks weren't doing anything. I was just on spring.
Oh wow.
We were trying to get it to rebound, and it wouldn't rebound. Basically, I was just on the urethane bushing. Yeah. So it was like a real stiff ride. But I was trying to even put some tension on the springs. Nothing. It was basically dead. And so, a lot of times people, what they'll do is just go out and buy a set of BCs, or, even maybe high-end Olins. But, those things are kind of pricey.
For the Corollas, for actually different types of Corollas, they have the BCs. BCs is, what I've heard, is pretty good, and they're pretty affordable to start you off in like the whole suspension world of parts. But I got lucky with these and bought it off of a friend, and I was like, you know what, I want to try and rebuild them. So I was lucky to. Now it's just a matter of will it fit? Will it work?
All right, let's see what's on there right now. There it is. It's a blue spring. What kind of spring is it?
Oh,
wow.
I would say those are like
Yeah, the piston's actually pretty thick.
Yeah, those are the Tokiko, and then the shock itself is KYB, which is, I think they're still in
Yeah.
they're still in production. KYB.
Yeah, KYB's been around.
They're good. KYB is pretty decent.
So you got to take off. Do you have? You have the spindles too. Wow.
Yeah, it comes. Yeah, that thing comes with a spindle.
How are you gonna get the hubs off? Do they just unbolt?
What do you mean?
Because the hub has to come out.
Yeah. There's this cover.
Oh, okay,
And
gotcha,
you can
gotcha.
bolt it off, and it's
Got
like
it.
a, it's all grease in there.
Okay.
That's where the bearings are. I'm probably gonna reuse them. I wouldn't. Well, no way. That's different size bolts.
Yeah, got to be the same, huh?
Yeah. Oh, weird.
Will it just not fit because of the angle? Is it-
Is it really bigger? It can't be. Oh, I think it is bigger. That's ghetto.
So 18.
18 size.
Wow, look at these. These are good.
Maybe 19.
19?
I don't know where my 19 went.
Oh, you need a 19 opener? I have one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You sure? Just. Oh wow, you're right.
Yeah,
That's neat.
yeah. Yeah, I kind of learned about brake lines when I was putting in the drift brake.
Do I have to do anything with the? It's just gonna drain right out, right?
I mean, if you want it to drain out, then you just open it, but it's not going to do anything.
Okay.
I mean, it's good to bleed all your brake fluid out.
Now how do I take this guy out?
Is it clipped in?
I guess.
Yeah, there must be like a little like a clip that's clips it, holds it in place. Yeah, you got to pull that clip out with a pair of pliers. It's like a flat plate.
Oh wow.
Yeah, yeah.
Pliers.
Okay, we got the first shock out. It's funny, it comes out with the whole brake system. So all you had to do is disconnect the brake line, and then it just dropped right out. And so basically the hub, the disc brake, and the shock all came out in one piece.
Like all of this, I have brand new.
What do you have? Oh, what is that?
This is everything. This is the control arm right here.
Oh wow.
This is that bar that goes. It's all adjust.
So this is more than just coilovers. This is everything. Wow.
Everything. Yeah, this isn't subframe though.
Oh, okay.
This just holds the suspension and everything. Before I tackle any of that, we should work on putting the hub on. We can work on that real fast.
So what he's doing is he's going to be using the hub. And he's already rebuilt it once before. He's changed the bearings out. So everything's pretty much brand new inside there.
Always recommended to use new ones though.
So where did you buy that piece right there? And what is this?
I just sourced it all kinds of websites. It's all Cusco.
So the only thing that you're really going to be utilizing that's left over is the steering.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Which
yeah.
will have to be another project.
Did you get the steering rack yet?
No,
Okay.
because they're getting very hard to find steering racks for this particular car.
So he got the hub off. It came right off after we took the caliper off. And then he unbolted the hub off the old disc. And now he's going to bolt it back on. This car is made so simple. Oh, so you have a screw on there. Where'd you get these brakes? Where'd you get these? You just rebuilt them or got them rebuilt?
Me and my friend Kyler went half on a Corolla, and
That's what came off of it?
yeah. Shoot, I might have to take these off too. Actually, now that I'm looking at it.
Oh, right, you will. Just to get the brakes back in.
Yeah, just.
The hub came off, unbolted it, put it on the disc. Now he's taking this caliper off to get the hub on. And then everything should be pretty good.
It's smooth. It's fine.
So tell me a little bit about this spacer here again. What is this thing? What is it called?
What is that?
Beam?
The brand is Beam. The spacer it's called an RCA, but it's to help when lowering the car. eliminates the bump steer.
Oh, because it puts the geometry back in line
Yeah, correct.
rather than it being super low from the coilovers.
I'm gonna reuse this shitty one, but I have new ones.
What you do? Rotate.
Okay, pretty now.
And so these were just like rebuilt, or they just look brand new.
I just painted it. That's it. Like sanded it down, made it nice, and painted it.
Yeah, but inside here, this all is all brand new. Did you take it all apart?
Oh yeah, that's all rebuilt.
Okay. All right, so we're on to the second coilover right now. How's it going? He's got a piston that's kind of sticking out there. We got that whole piece out now. Here's the old one. What year is this car?
87.
87. So yeah, we had trouble with these, getting these out, and we didn't have the proper tool or to pull them out. So what we did was I just took some slices to it with the bandsaw and then kind of hammered them out, and finally it popped. But it's okay because this one comes with brand new ones. There they are right there. Sweet. And this should just all bolt right back up, and then we can put everything back together. And it even comes with a new, what do you call it, sway bar. So this thing will be handling. I should match it up. Let's see what it actually looks like side by side in the right direction. All right, so yeah, there's the A arms. So I have my cords here. A arms are here. This is where this mounts up. So this has this adjustable torsion beam, where this one is just basically fixed. So he's gonna finish that. We're gonna put that in. We'll mount this up, put the brake lights on, bleed the brakes. Yeah, here's what the other one looks like that we kind of put back. New brake disc, same hub, just disconnected and reconnected. New brake lines. Moving right along. Are you gonna take this off?
Yeah.
Should we mount it first? We're gonna put this
Probably put that on first and then
little undercarriage in.
because we would have to adjust it from there.
Okay. Okay, so we kind of got it up. It's all mounted here. And now we're gonna tighten this here, this ball joint. And then we're going to put a pin in for the castle nut. You can kind of see. Then we still got to mount these back bolts, but we got to make some adjustments first. But other than that, everything is lining up. All right, so we ran a little longer than we thought, but where's the light? Can I flash the light at stuff? Here. So we got the subframe mounted, or whatever this piece is called, from Cusco. It was a little bit of a to get in, but we did get it in.
We just have to bolt some
Yeah.
stuff down.
Yeah, there's some things that we gotta finish up, but everything seems to be looking good. Brakes are in. It's all mounted. A-arms in. We gotta mount. We gotta bolt the steering back on. And I don't know. I mean, we're getting there. I mean, we got further than I thought, and I thought we were just doing coilovers, but we did brakes and we did A-arms, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're kind of cleaning up. End of the day, he's gonna leave it overnight, and we will finish it off. I don't know. Maybe we'll finish it by doing the rear. The rears are right inside that box right there. What does the rears look like? Let's take a look real quick. Oh, okay. So they're separate, and then the shocks are behind. Oh yeah.
It's super simple.
Simple.
Yeah.
And then the coilover goes here, and that just sets your right height.
These are the 4 links.
Yeah.
And then
Oh.
I just got a sway bar. That's it.
Oh, you got a sway bar?
Yeah.
Oh, and this, right?
Oh, and then the pan hard.
Oh yeah. There's a little bit some
spiders.
cobwebs going on. What's going on here?
The spider webs.
Okay. Cool. All right, man. We've accomplished something. We're moving forward.
It looks good.
We're gonna call it a night. See ya.
Thank you.